Alright, so I just got in my new Elgato Key Light Air and thought I would fool around with making an unboxing video. First off, I want to apologize for the lighting in here. It's difficult to have good lighting in your room when your lighting is, still in the box. So hopefully future videos will look a whole lot better than this. So let's get to it. Time I've ever ordered anything in the US and got an entire pack of international adapters. This is the one I'll need, but these other ones, I don't know what countries they go to. Maybe I could look them up myself, but it'd be a whole lot more fun if you tell me in the comments if you know. So I thought I'd show you a little bit of what the light actually looks like on me. This light is much brighter than I expected it to be. It's currently on 5%. It's right now about arm's length away at about a 45-degree angle and just over my head. This is what it looks like with the light off, so you can see how much that fills in. I've got the control set up on my other cell phone here, like cell phoneception, cell phone in a cell phone in a cell phone. But you've got a slider on the top for the color temperature and a slider on the bottom for the power output. Sorry, it was on 10% power output, but I'll ramp it up and show you what this looks like. There's 25%. It's already starting to get difficult to look into. There is 50% right there. And that is all, wow, okay, that is all the way up at max power at 5500K. It is uncomfortable. You can slide the slider down to a warm 2900 Kelvin, which is a very orange color. And you can slide it the other way, all the way up to 7000 Kelvin, which gives everything kind of a steel blue. I've been keeping it about 5500K, maybe down as low as 5000, and then keeping the power slider down around 10%. I wanted to show here, I had seen some other reviews that said that the sliders at that time did not give the actual color temperature output, but I wanted to show here that once you actually do run the slider, it's very hard to see, but it does actually tell you what your color temperature is on the slider now. So I guess they've updated that software, and it will also do the same thing for the power output percentage. Well, I know that was kind of a short video, but hopefully it will give you a good overview of what this light is like and how it works. If you're interested in checking it out, I will leave a link in the description down below, as well as a link to my website at brandonhartman.com, where I will do a write-up on this. I also have another channel you can check out if you're interested in woodworking, which I will leave a link to below and up here on the cards. It's kind of backwards to me, I'm not entirely sure. If you found this video interesting, please leave it a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you want to see more videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.